This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your phone is connected and unlocked, obvious but necessary. Once done, open Settings and either tap Network and Internet or use the search field to jump to private DNS. Make sure you know your Android version because menu labels change. Sooner is better. Locate Wi-Fi and network sections. If you have multiple profiles, pick the active one. This initial move gets you directly into the networking area where DNS settings live, saving time and avoiding wrong menus. Now you switch the setting. Tap Private DNS or Advanced, then choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Enter the secure hostname provided by your chosen resolver. You type a hostname, don't use raw IPs, because Android expects a TLS host for private DNS. Once entered, save or apply and toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or reconnect to the network to force the change. If you use a VPN or special launcher, make sure those aren't blocking the new resolver, because they can override system DNS. If private DNS isn't suitable, you can set DNS per Wi-Fi network. Long press the network, choose Modify Network, expand Advanced Options, switch IP settings to static, and fill DNS1 and DNS2 with resolver IPs. Make sure to keep the correct IP, gateway, and net mask so connectivity remains intact. After saving, reconnect and test browsing. If nothing changes, reboot the device or reset network settings. This is the key troubleshooting tip. A reset often clears conflicting caches or overlays that block DNS changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.